Hello and welcome to the Academy of Modern Martial Arts and our PD-specific Tai Chi sessions. Today we're going to look at the entire form. However, we're going to shoot from there. I'm going to turn around. So we're going to try and give you the angle as if you were standing behind me in class. So on one hand, you can see my silhouette from behind, but on the other hand, hopefully you'll also get the movements in the mirror. So without further ado, we'll simply begin. I hope you've seen all the other videos that will let you know where we are, and if you need any clarity on the individual movements, you can look back on the specific step-by-step instruction. So here we go. I'm going to move forward so I stay in your frame. And we begin, as always, with that initial salutation, taking a nice big inhale, taking a moment to think positive thoughts about others. And then we're going to come full circle and think positive thoughts about ourselves, taking a moment to clear our head and prepare our focus for Tai Chi. As the hands come down, we sink, and we have that nice soft knees. We've activated the abdomen, and we've drawn our shoulders down our back. So let's begin by opening Tai Chi. That left foot moves out, and we set the heel on the floor. We move over. Once we find the center, we drop the elbows to raise the wrists, and we drop the shoulders to raise the elbows. We raise hands and greet the universe. From there, we're going to turn to the left, rotating that right foot inward and then rocking back onto the right foot and holding the ball in a T stance. Stepping out and departing wild horse's mane, number 1. Shifting the weight backward, peeling the left toes up, drawing the foot in if it makes life easier. Stepping forward onto that left, bringing the empty right forward. From a T stance, we step out, sink our weight forward as we move heel to toe. We rock back, again pulling the toes up, drawing the leg in if we like, and stepping up. Holding the ball once more, stepping out, parting wild horse's mane for the third and final time as we prepare to slide up, drawing the rear leg up, sinking down into the right, and twisting in place over the right leg into stork cools its wings, letting that left leg go wide as we parry once with the right hand and once with the left. We empty that left leg in preparation for stepping out heel first for brush knee twist step number 1. We rock back. We're going to pivot and step up and step out. Brush knee twist step number 2. Rock back, pivot, stepping up again, and brush knee twist step number 3. Slide up, drop back onto that right leg and pick up that left knee, toes point, and then heel touches down. We're going to relax the hands, allow them to float up as we step back. We're going to go ball of foot down into the heel this time, rotating over that left leg, empty the right, step back, ball of foot into the heel as we rotate, step back, ball of foot into the heel for number 3, and last time, step back, ball of foot into the heel, and we're going to go into holding the ball in the T stance again, step out this time into ward off, roll back, press, and push, also known as grass sparrow's tail. We're going to turn hard right, peeling the left toes up as we rotate as hard to the right as we can. Empty the right leg as we gather the ball, step out, heel to toe, again into grass sparrow's tail or ward off. Roll back, press, and withdraw into that push. Here's where we're going to segue into our close. Rock the weight back onto the left leg, peel the right toes up, turn inward. Come back over that right leg, draw the empty left back, spread that weight out, elbows, edge of the wrists, fingertips, squat down while lifting up through that sternum as we cross hands at the bottom. We're going to let that left come back out over the right. And we're going to relax. We're going to move over that right leg, bring the left in, set that heel down, settle in, ending the way we began, thinking positive thoughts about others, coming back full circle into thinking positive thoughts about ourselves, and then we're going to clear our head and relax. And there you have it. One quick rendition of the form, shooting over my shoulder so you get the back silhouette and the mirror. Let us know how this works for you and if it makes sense. And as always, please feel free to drop us a line. Let us know if there's any other way we can improve your time at home as you work on Tai Chi and keep your mobility nice and strong. Take care.